Question 12. A hall is 15-meter long and 12-meter broad. If the sum of areas of floor and ceiling is equal to sum of areas of four walls, the volume of hall is. So length is 15 meters and breadth is 12 meter. So 2 into 15 into 12 is equal to 15. So uh, 2 into 15 into 12. So this was uh, area. This was area of ceiling and floor. This was area is equal to area of four walls, that is 15h into 2 plus 12h into 2. So is equal to, solving these equations, we get 360 is equal to 2h into 15 plus 12. So we are getting value of h is equal to 6.66. So here we are getting height. So after getting height we can find lbh, that is volume. So which is 1200 meter cube. Question 14. Two trains for Hogwarts leave Narnia at 6 am and 6:45 am and travel at 100 km per hour and 136 km per hour respectively. How many kilometers from Narnia will two trains be together? So solution. So difference in time of departure between two trains is 45 minutes. So if we assume, so distance is same for both. Now if we assume two trains as T1 and T2, so here is distance, so which is equal for them. So let us assume that time taken by train T2 is T. Now it was started late, that means it was time of departure between two trains was late, so it was late by 45 minutes. So 45 divided by 60 is equal to 3.4 is equal to 0.75 hour. So time taken by T1 will be T plus 0.75. Now distance is same for both. Now d1 is equal to d2. So s1 t1 is equal to s2 t2. So 100 into t plus, so s1 is 100. Now t plus 0.75 is equal to 136 into t. So t is equal to 2.08 hour. Now distance for t distance for t was 136, that was speed, and into 2.8 it was 283.33. So two trains were together for 283.33 kilometers. 15. A software programmer provider has been training its manpower in such a way that 36 programmers could write 36 software programs of similar nature in 36 hours. So here we have 36 programmers and 36 programs, and work done is 36 hours. Now the company has received another order of getting 84 software programs. So uh, it has 36 employees, 36 person. So we have to find a person required for uh, that work. So 84 software programs are there of similar nature in 24 hours. How many additional programmers should the company employ for this project? Now solution. P is equal to person. Now H is equal to hours and W is work done. So P1 into H1 divided by W1 is equal to P2 into H2 divided by W2. So we have figures, that is first was P1 was 36, Now H1 was 36, W1 was 36, is equal to P2 into 24 divided by 84. Now P2 is equal to 36 into 84 divided by 24. Now P2 is equal to 126.